Hey, morning internet, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do the clutch in the D1. I've ordered a new set of springs, new set of plates and the tool I need. So yeah, we're going to crack on and get that done and hopefully put an end to the slipping clutch problems. So yeah, alright, let's crack on with that. Well, very simple job so far, to be perfectly honest with you. Just a couple of little concerns. The plates, the friction plates look fine, but let's just have a look at what we've got out. Okay, so I've got to reassemble that obviously with the new plates, but the springs that they've supplied, meant to be for the D1, you know, absolutely. But there's 6 springs in the bag rather than only require 5, and there is quite a bit of a difference with them. I don't know if you can see. So this is the one that's come out of the bike. This is the one that's been supplied. You know, they are quite different. And there was no real tension. You know, when I removed the bolts, I was expecting the spring to sort of try and flick the bolt out a bit. There was nothing like that at all, so maybe it's, well, they're either the wrong springs in the bike, or maybe this is just how they wear. I don't know. Maybe somebody can offer me some advice on that. Or maybe these are the wrong springs, or, you know, this is how they were when they were new. But yeah, a little concerning that there was 6 in the bag. But, you know, they're the right diameter and everything, so yeah. Let's assemble the clutch itself and get it back in. Now, one of the other things that I was thinking of is, what do you think? Should I have soaked these in oil first? Because it is a wet clutch. I'm just going to go and research that. Back in a tick. a bit of a road test.
Fucking hell, eh? Come on. Go on.
Well, that's a really good result. It's perfect. No clutch slippage at all. I mean, I only went round the blocks. It's only a mile maybe. So it does need a bit of a longer road test, I guess. But no, nothing at all. Not the slightest hint of any clutch slip at all. So I've just rechecked the bolts, make sure everything's okay. But yeah, we'll strike that up to being a good result. But you know what, on my little road test there, as I'm sure you saw, you don't have to go very far at all for somebody to try and kill you. You know, you see that silver car just didn't look at all and just pulled straight out in front of me. You know, we're so vulnerable, aren't we, on the road, and car drivers are so can be so unaware of what's going on around them. I mean, at least he stopped, but I'm sure he felt quite bad about it. But if I'd have been going faster, blah blah blah. Anyway, that's it for today. Good job on the Kawasaki GPZ550D1 clutch replacement, and yeah, what an easy job it was. No leaks at all, and job's jobbed. So yeah, what's next? Next is the restart of the bodywork. All of the paint has arrived now, so I'm really quite excited and looking forward to getting into that. But I can't do any more today because I've got to go and see a client. But it is the client that is hopefully going to be able to sort the swing arm out for me, wherever it is. I'll have to find that, so I've got to take it with me, of course. So yeah, alright, great. I'll catch you later. Thanks very much, Internet. Bye.